Go.
Okay, so your traps are huge muscle, right? And when we stress, we raise them up, and a lot of times we don't even realize we've forgotten where relaxed is. So it'd be like pulling on somebody's bicep. It's gonna win.
Okay.
But if we put it into a contracted stage, and then it fatigues out, it'll eventually completely relax, and that's what we want for those shoulders.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put your shoulders in contraction, and then relaxation.
Okay.
But I'm gonna be in control, not you.
Okay.
Can I see here? It doesn't hurt as much as it's really strange, me controlling your muscles. Oh, it's just kind of weird.
Yeah.
Is that too much or is that okay?
Just a little tight.
Down.
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah.
3. There we go. Up again. 3, 2, 1, and release. And when you release, I'm going to stretch that shoulder out. Okay, come back to neutral. There we go. We're back on in 3, 2, 1.
This is my favorite machine.
This is amazing, yeah.
This thing's crazy.